quick lesson on how to create a project folder, how to load it with a website, how to send it through an email, and how to extract it from the zip folder you'll send it in. Okay, here we go. We right click on the desktop and we hover over the word new and we choose folder. While the name of the folder is still highlighted, give it a name. I'm just going to call it blank. B-L-A-N-K. Boink. Okay, we have a blank folder. Now double click to open it. There's nothing in it, of course. Right click in the white space, hover over the word new, choose folder. Okay, name this folder CSS. Enter. Very good. Right click again, hover over the word new, choose folder. This time call it images. Hit enter. Very good. And once again, we're going to right click, hover over the word new, but this time we're going to choose text document. And we'll name this one index. And hit enter. And that creates a document called index.txt. The reason for doing that is because we're using Notepad, and Notepad is not an HTML editor, so you will not be able to edit an HTML file with Notepad. That's for HTML editors. However, when we're done, after you do load the text of your HTML file into index.txt, it's a simple copy and paste routine. Then you right click on index.html and you rename it. Put your cursor right beside it, backspace over txt, and change it to HTML or HTM, whatever your choice is. The answer is always yes anytime you see that. Now what you have is nothing in the window over there, but if you click on it you just get a blank screen. Exactly, because there's nothing in the HTML file, but you have created an HTML document. So now I'm going to rename it again back to text, backspacing over HTML, retyping TXT, hit enter, choose yes again, and now we're back to the original website. This is good. So now what we have here is a website contained in a folder. Even though there's nothing in the website, that's not the point. The next thing we need to know is how do you send this website through an email? And we right click on the website and we hover over the words send to. A compressed zip folder is going to be our choice. Boink, there it is right over there on the left, blank.zip. Okay, now with that folder sitting on my desktop, I'll just go up to my Gmail. I'll choose Gmail, and then I'll choose Compose Mail. I'll send it to myself so you can see the whole process happen. And the subject matter will be blank.zip, and then I'll just put some letters in here, and that creates the body of the email. Good. Now I'm going to click on attach a file, and I'm already set to look in the desktop for whatever file I want to attach, but you could look in recent places, or you could go through anything under your own name, you could go to downloads, documents, whatever you want. Or me, I'm going to desktop because I already know that's where the file is located. So I'm going to scroll through the desktop and I'm looking for that zip folder. There's only one down there, so it should be easy to find. Oh, there it is. Okay, one click on blank, that puts it in the file name dialog box there, and I choose open, and there it goes. It's being loaded into the email. Very good. Now as soon as it turns blue, like attach another file, I'll be able to send it to myself and show you how it's extracted. There it is. Now I can click on send. boink, and there it is. It came to me, and so I'll just click to open it, and all it really says is, okay, I've got a blank .zip that I can download. So I'll click on download. I have it set to save it to my downloads, so I click OK. It goes into my downloads. It's all done. Now I can leave my Gmail and go to my downloads and find it. Okay, downloads, very good. There it is right there, blank zip. Now I right click and choose extract all. Okay, now it wants to extract it to my downloads, right where the thing is. I don't want it to go there. I'm going to browse to the desktop, and I'm going to tell it to download to the desktop, extract to the desktop. As you can see, it's going to extract to the desktop, and now I click on extract, and oops, already created. No, okay, I've got to do something first. Let me do this again. I've already got a copy of blank on the desktop, so I'm going to have to delete that first. Otherwise, it's just going to send a copy down there, and it's just going to give me a little bit of a headache that I don't need. Okay, now I can go back to the downloads and go through the same process again. Let me see, where are they? They're over here, they're over here, and here it is. Extract all. No, I want to extract to the desktop. Okay, and now extract, and there it is. It just came in on the desktop right there. So now I can get out of here, but notice that I still have the blank zip folder. It's still in my downloads, and all I did was extract the contents of the zip folder and put a copy of the contents on my desktop. Now I can just double click to open it, and there's the file. The index.html, all my images will be in the folder, my style sheets will be in the CSS folder, and then when you click on index.html, it runs the, for example, here's the last one I just created, same three ideas. If you click on HTML, there it is. It shows the website. And all right, that is a quick lesson and how it's done. And so give it a try. See if you like it.